All right, everyone. Good morning, man. Happy Sunday. So I had a gentleman ask me about how I fillet or someone asked me about how I fillet my catfish. So I wasn't gonna make the video of cleaning them today. I actually had them on ice overnight from yesterday. But since someone asked me that, I'm gonna show you guys how I fillet my catfish. It's basically with a fillet knife, and just like I fillet a crappie. So I'm gonna show you the catfish. I'm not gonna worry about the bluegills, but here's the two catfish, so y'all can get a better look. So those are some pretty nice sized catfish there. I got a little channel cat up under here. Then I got about 8 to 10 nice bluegills. So let's get this video going. Show you guys how to fillet these two catfish. I'm gonna fillet these two, show y'all how to do it, and then I'm gonna cut the video off and start doing my other fish. So I hope y'all having a great Sunday morning. Hope everyone is enjoying yourself. Everyone is staying blessed and staying safe. So let's get this party started. 1, 2, 3. All right, let's get it going here. Real simple. Piranha, saltwater, and freshwater, Mister Twister. This is the one I use, guys. That's a nice one. So let's get this one here out. These fins, I don't even worry about cutting them off. I'm just basically line it up here. So basically the bone, or whatever you want to call this right here, as you can feel, just like a crappie. You can feel, there you go. You can feel it. So I go behind that, like this. Then once I touch that bone, flip it over, guys. And get down on that bone, you know, don't lose too much meat. And come down the spine just like you do the crappies. When you get to the end of the tail, stop. There you go. Put it up, flip it over. There you go. I got to get me a big old wood board here. Grab that tail like I do the crappies. Go up under it. Start cutting. Then you can grab the skin and just start pulling, guys. And then that's another thing about catfish. You will do that right there. So let me see if I can fix this here. But I'll show you guys how I fix that. There you go. Now I would mess this up when you guys are watching me. Boy, ain't this something. I'm gonna clean that up. I'll show you guys how to do that. Let me flip it over. There you go. Flip it over. Just like that. There go your fillet, guys. There go the skin. Here you go. You got the head. You got this belly meat and stuff. I don't worry about all that. You got the skin. Bam. Discard it. There you go. Now I gotta fix this right here. So what I'm gonna do is get a fork. Stick it in like that right there. Guys, get that fork, stick it in like that. There you go. Now grab the skin again. And let the knife do the work for you. There you go, nice fillet. Catfish number one. Nothing fancy, guys. I'm not a cat fisherman, so I don't break it down like y'all do. Real simple, probably giving away a lot of meat. I really don't eat catfish that much or keep it. So just real simple. Same way. Flip it over. Hold on. Right, flip it over. Right, like it's deformed or something. Go up under the skin again. Grab the tail. Just start pulling. There you go. Another fillet, guys. Cut the skin off. Discard it. Flip it over. Same thing. Backwards. Flip it over. There you go. Actually, man, I'm just gonna do it on the counter. I clean this counter up so good, you won't even know I clean fish in here. Grab the tail. There you go, another fillet. And folks, that's how I clean catfish. Real simple. Now, I gotta do some cleaning up. All right, let me get this kitchen together and now mess around with this fillets a little bit more here. All right, clean that up a little bit, you guys. Get my Ziploc bag. Four catfish fillets. And there you go, YouTube. 4 catfish fillets. That's how I do it. All right, YouTube. So that's my way of filleting catfish. I know it's not, I mean, it's kind of simple. I don't even really catch catfish. I don't even really cook it or clean it or even eat it, but that's probably every blue moon. So left a lot of meat, probably a lot of fat that's still on there, red meat, stuff like that. If I ever cook that fish, I clean it up a little bit better and I get it out, but that's it, real simple. So now I gotta take this bucket here and discard those guts. I'm gonna have to go back out to I just run back out to a nice neighborhood pond or something, throw them in there, discard them in there, and, you know, nature will take its course. So you guys, as always, thanks for watching, thanks for coming and subscribing. You guys have a great Sunday. Peace.